Everyday English Club. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Hello, dear English learner. Welcome to day 1 of your English journey. My name is Mamoni, and I am so glad you are here. Thank you for joining us today. Learning a new language is not easy, I understand. You may feel shy, you may feel slow, you may even wonder, is this working? But let me tell you something. Yes, it is, and you are doing great. Just being here today means you are moving forward. So take a deep breath and smile. This is your time, your moment, and I am right here with you every step of the way. In this lesson, I will speak slowly and clearly just for you. Please follow the words on the screen. Try to read along, try to speak with me if you can. Even a little English every day makes a big difference. Practice with us daily, and in 30 days, you will start to see real progress. Yes, you can do this. Today, we will cover 4 key topics. First, the struggles English learners face. Second, daily habits for learning English. Third, how to stay consistent. And fourth, smart tips to learn English faster. Let us start with something honest. Learning English can be hard sometimes. And if you have ever felt confused, nervous, or even a little scared, you are not alone. Many learners feel exactly the same way. Maybe you feel shy when you try to speak. That is very common. You might think, what if I say something wrong? But here's the truth. Making mistakes is a good thing. It means you are learning. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Or maybe you struggle to understand when people speak fast. That is completely normal. Native speakers can sound like one long word. But don't worry, your ears will train themselves over time. Start with slow English, listen to easy content, and repeat it often. And what about forgetting words? That happens to everyone. Even people who speak English every day forget words sometimes. Your brain just needs time and repetition. Say new words out loud, write them down, and little by little you'll remember them. Maybe you are also busy. Work, family, life. But here's something important to know. You don't need 1 full hour to practice. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Small steps taken every day are the most powerful steps of all. Now, let's talk about daily habits. You don't need a big, complicated plan to improve your English. What really works are small actions you take every day. Here are 5 habits you can start today. Habit 1. Learn just 3 new words each day. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Write them down, say them out loud, and use them in simple sentences. For example, water. I drink water every morning. Happy. I feel happy today. Sky. The sky is blue. Simple and powerful. Habit 2. Listen to English every single day. You don't need to sit at a desk. You can listen while walking, cooking, or cleaning. Just 5 minutes is great. The more your ears hear English, the more comfortable they become. Habit 3. Speak English out loud every day. Yes, out loud, even if you are alone. In the morning, say, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I am ready for the day. You can also repeat after videos. Copy what you hear. This trains your mouth to produce English sounds naturally. Habit 4. Read something short in English every day. A message, 1 paragraph, even 1 sentence. The more you read, the more your brain understands how English works. Habit 5. Write 1 sentence every day about your morning, your mood, or the weather. Today is sunny. I ate rice. I feel great. 1 sentence. That's all. These habits seem small, but they are incredibly powerful. Do them every day and you will see progress faster than you expect. Now, let's talk about consistency. What does it mean to be consistent? It means you keep going every day, even if just for a little while. Not perfect, not big, just steady. Here are 3 simple ways to stay on track. First, make a small plan. Something like, I will study English for 10 minutes after breakfast. Small plans are easier to follow, and they add up quickly over time. Second, track your progress. Use a simple calendar. Put a check mark on every day you practice. Third, celebrate your wins. When you finish a lesson or learn a new word, pause and say, good job, and be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, don't give up. Just come back the next day. A little every day is always better than a lot once a week. Now, for our final section, Smart tips to improve your English faster. Tip 1. Watch videos with English subtitles. When you read and listen at the same time, your brain absorbs the language twice as fast. Tip 2. Repeat what you learn. Watch the same short video twice. Say the same sentence 3 times. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Tip 3. Use simple English. Start with content designed for beginners. That's not lazy, that's smart. Tip 4. Practice speaking even when you are alone. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Say your thoughts in English. Tip 5. Think in English. When you see an apple, just think apple. When you are hungry, think I am hungry. Tip 6. Use every new word in a real sentence the same day you learn it. Tip 7. Find a friend who is also learning English. Study together, speak together, make mistakes together. You have done something meaningful today. You showed up, you listened, you learned, and that's exactly what progress looks like. Remember, it's okay to go slow. It's okay to make mistakes. Just don't stop. Keep going, one small step at a time. I'm right here with you. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Come back next time and we'll keep building your English together, day by day. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and always remember, you can do this. Yes, you really can.